What's up, off-road warriors and power sports enthusiasts? Today, we're taking a look at a machine that's shaking up the UTV world by offering an incredible package of performance, features, and value. This is the CFMOTO ZFORCE 950 Sport-4 EPS, and we're going to break down why it might just be the most feature-packed UTV you can buy for the price. In the world of side-by-sides, we all know the big players, Polaris, Can-Am, but CFMOTO is here to prove they're a force to be reckoned with. And they're not just competing, they're bringing a whole new level of standard equipment to the table. Let's start with the heart of this beast. Powering this machine is a 963 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, V-twin engine that puts out a claimed 85 horsepower and 60 lb-ft of torque. This isn't just an engine, it's a statement. It gives you more than enough muscle to conquer steep climbs, power through tough mud, and have a blast on the trails. And with the smooth, reliable CVTech automatic transmission, you get seamless power delivery with a high-low range, neutral, and reverse. But what really sets CFMOTO apart is what they include standard. Most competitors would charge you thousands extra for these features. On this ZFORCE 950 Sport-4 you get a factory-installed 4,500-pound winch. Stuck in the mud? No problem. 14-inch beadlock wheels. No more worrying about tires coming off the rim when you're running low pressure for more traction. Full-length skid plates. Protecting the entire undercarriage from rocks and debris. Protective half doors. Keeping you and your passengers safe on the trail. Inside the cabin, the premium features continue. This isn't a basic dash, it's a command center. You get a vibrant 5-inch LCD gauge cluster that gives you all the essential information. But wait, there's more. The ZFORCE 950 Sport-4 is equipped with CFMOTO's RideSync app, which connects to your phone via Bluetooth. With the app, you get navigation, ride analytics, and even an anti-theft feature. It's like having a co-pilot built right into your UTV. And of course, you get electronic power steering, EPS, as a standard feature, making steering effortless, even in the gnarliest of terrains. Suspension is key for a comfortable and capable ride, and the ZFORCE delivers. It comes standard with high-pressure gas shocks with piggyback reservoirs that are 7-position compression adjustable. This allows you to fine-tune your ride for anything from high-speed whoops to low-speed rock crawling. With 12 inches of ground clearance and a long 120-inch wheelbase, this UTV is incredibly stable and can clear most obstacles without a problem. Now, let's talk about the big elephant in the room, the price. While competitors will often charge you a premium for a base model and then upsell you on all the accessories we just mentioned, the CFMOTO ZFORCE 950 Sport-4 comes with a starting MSRP of around $18,299 US. Note: prices vary by region and dealer. When you start adding the cost of a winch, beadlock wheels, upgraded suspension, and a digital dash to a competitor's model, you're easily looking at several $1,000s more. So, why is this the most feature-packed UTV for the price? It's simple. CFMOTO is challenging the status quo by bundling all the essential, high-end features that you actually need for a great off-road experience into a single, aggressively priced package. You don't have to compromise. You can get a high-performance, fully equipped machine straight from the factory and hit the trails without having to open your wallet again. The CFMOTO ZFORCE 950 Sport-4 is a testament to the fact that you don't need to break the bank to get a UTV that's loaded with features and ready for any adventure. It's powerful, it's capable, and it offers incredible value. If you're looking for a four-seater that's ready to ride from day one, this needs to be at the very top of your list. What do you think of the CFMOTO ZFORCE 950? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more off-road reviews.